In a move that has sent ripples across the nation, Sengezo Tshabangu has issued a ban on Nelson Chamisa, barring him from using his own face in the event he launches a new political party. It's a situation that's as intriguing as it is unprecedented, and we're here to unpack it for you. Nelson Chamisa, the charismatic leader of the opposition party, the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, is no stranger to controversy. His vibrant political career has always been marked by a bold approach and a knack for shaking things up. And it seems his latest venture is no exception. Sengezo Tshabangu, a key player in Zimbabwe's legal field, has raised eyebrows with this audacious move, the implications of which are still being debated. While some view it as an attempt to stifle Chamisa's political momentum, others see it as a test of the boundaries of personal rights and political power. The ban has certainly sparked a discourse on the intertwined nature of personal identity and political branding. Chamisa's face, like those of many political figures, has become synonymous with his party and his cause. It's a testament to the power of image in the realm of politics and the lengths to which some will go to protect or challenge this power. As we delve deeper into this issue, we'll explore the legal nuances and the potential impact on Zimbabwe's political future. What does this mean for Chamisa and his party? How will this affect the political landscape in Zimbabwe? And most importantly, what does this say about the state of democracy and personal rights in the country? As we wrap up, remember, this is more than just a tale of political maneuvering. It's a testament to the transformative power of personal branding in politics, a stark reminder of the lengths to which some will go to protect their image, and a fascinating glimpse into a unique chapter in Zimbabwe's ongoing political narrative. In summary, the face of change in Zimbabwe's political landscape is taking on a literal meaning, as Nelson Chamisa grapples with a unique challenge, a ban on using his own face. As this story unfolds, it's clear that the stakes are high, not just for Chamisa and the CCC, but for the future of personal rights and political power in Zimbabwe.